when we look at OpenMetal, there are several different products that we have planned, but we always like to talk about our primary product, the on-demand private cloud. And so the on-demand private cloud is a full private cloud system, including network attached file storage, and it is designed to be a complement to the ecosystem today, the cloud ecosystem of today. Today, there's public clouds, there's people doing infrastructure in their own data centers, there's even the public cloud providers trying to provide cloud services from within an on-premise location. OpenMetal, its private cloud system, fits in by enabling a customer to automatically spin up a full private cloud in seconds. This gives them the ability to look at workloads that might be specific to either, look at workloads that may have benefit by running on specific hardware. And then to be able to look at workloads, either workloads they have on the public cloud today or workloads that they have in their data center, to say, look, these are standard, consistent workloads. I know how much it's going to be using, and I can look at a location or I can look at a cloud solution that's more economical and more tuned to that particular workload. So we fit in when people say, oh, look, I've got this existing workload running and I'm paying very, very large amounts of money on the public cloud, because that is unfortunately the case. But it's typically when they look at that existing workload, that common workload, then they could say, all right, I'm going to shift this over into a stable system, a system that actually is designed to carry that larger workload at a much more economical price. And so these private clouds, which by their nature have a lot of these attributes built into them: lower cost, easy security, straightforward budgeting. Like, you don't have to worry the budget's going to run away, because it's a fixed budget. It's a fixed piece of hardware that you're actually working with. And so, yeah, it fits into the ecosystem, particularly for companies that have large workloads that are relatively standard, or the company must set a specific budget around that, and that they're willing to work within a hardware unit in order to control those budgets.